So what kind of gas mileage does a Prius C going across from one side of San Francisco to another? 8.4 miles, 44 miles per gallon. And so here's the setup. And there's the load. The trailer is 260 some pounds. Then I have the pallets. This unit here is 268 pounds. This is 173 pounds. This is 118 pounds. And there's over 800 pounds of tools and equipment in the back. My son's 260, I'm 160. And yes, there is still plenty of room for the fender well. No bulging tires, filled up to 51 psi, and we have the nitrogen bags back there in the springs for load lifters. And the trailer is level with the car. The trailer hitch is level. There's no sagging, there's no weight down, and it was balanced. No problem. And that's what it's like moving with a Prius C.